What's going on, guys? It's JR, the general manager at Palm Harbor Homes in Victoria, Texas. I'm standing in the kitchen of one of the most popular floor plans I've ever personally witnessed. It's the Horizon. What's great about this house is it's a packaged house. It comes with $17,000 worth of packaged upgrades that we or you don't pay a dime for. Another great thing that we have going for us here at Palm Harbor in Victoria is I've got 4 of these available over the next 60 days. I don't know of another sales center that can say the same thing about this particular house. Again, this has been the hottest, one of the hottest homes on the market for the past year, and we have access to 4 over the next 60 days. So if you walk this home, want to walk this home, come down to Palm Harbor, Victoria. We can put your name on one of those 4, and we can get your house in the next 60 days. Give us a call at 361-576-2171. Ask for any of our sales consultants. You can ask for me, JR. All of us will be honored to help you guys out. Come take a look at this Horizon. You won't regret it. We'll talk to you guys soon. Thank you.